This is the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser. This is probably the best vacuum we've ever owned. And for the reasons of, is we have 2 dogs and both of them shed like crazy. And this vacuum not only has great suction down here, but it's got this brush that will pull the pet hair out of the carpet. All right, so right now the brush is not on. We can turn the brush on like that. It's got a high airflow container. So like whereas some vacuums will get clogged up super easy by pet hair, this one will not. And it's also got a wand so you can get in the nooks and crannies of the wall or around the dog bed or in the couch, that sort of thing. And pieces where you can just basically scrub the pet hair out. All right, the head on the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser swivels. It makes it super easy to like pick a line, turn it and go around corners, that sort of thing. Awesome vacuum. We enjoy it. We've got this one and the cordless handheld, which we use both inside for automotive and our RV as well too. Great product. We love it. The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser.